touch our face. Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open houses.
Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing another mblock project as usual. So we're going to be starting off by typing in mblock. So and then mblock one-stop coding platform for teaching and learning. So after that, we're going to be clicking on code with blocks because we're not going to be coding with Python yet. So we have to wait a little bit of time as it loads in. Just okay, there it is. Now we're going to click on File and click on New. So now let me explain what we're going to be doing today. So we're going to be creating a maze in mblock. So the first thing that we're going to have to do is something that we haven't done, which is customize a background. So here you go. This is our background, and we're going to draw a maze in it. So the first thing that you would want to do is click on a line and then draw whatever maze you want. It doesn't matter as long as it's a maze and it has at least one correct way. So first, I'm going to draw an outline to my maze. So like that, and like that, and like that. Oh, I have to move it down a little. Okay, and like that. So as you can see now, I've got my outline to my maze where I don't want to go. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to first make a correct way for the maze. So here, so we're going to start off like this. And then this will lead into here. This will go right there, and then go right there. So now we're just going to have to create these, and make sure you be careful, because if you mess up, you're going to have to start all over again. So after we created that like little plus there, we're going to be keep going down, and then right there we're going to keep going like all the way down. But this one, it will go down up to here, and then it will take a turn like that. Okay, so then there will be another way right here like that, and then we keep going like this. And I'm just saying so that you, for reference, this is my maze. So like, I customized my own maze. I mean, like, of course you can straight off copy my maze. I don't mind, but like, you should create your own maze, which is like, I just wanted to say. I mean, if you're gonna straight off copy my maze, no one's stopping you. Like, I mean, it's gonna help you learn, so do it. So then I'm gonna go right here with that, and then there, and keep going, and then like up to here, and then I take a turn. So, but this one's gonna go right here, and then it'll take a turn here. But this will keep going, and then we have the end of the maze right here, which is where our winning point will be, which I will discuss later on. So so we just need we need to undo that because we weren't supposed to do that, and we can just finish it like that. But also we're gonna also have to fill up this space, this blank space. It's way too plain, right? And also there's blank space right here. So 1 second while I move my webcam up here, because first off, my webcam was didn't let me draw the outline right here, and also I couldn't see much. So what we can do is we can create a two-way path like that, which both lead to wrong ways, and then we move this up here so that it's a continuation of the path. So if you didn't think this was the winning point, which probably most people would, I'll create two intersecting lines right here, and then one way will be this way, which will lead you to eventually the wrong way. So we'll create like some type of obstacle, like right there. So then it will keep going like that, and from this we can create a line which will lead here. But let me do something right here. So you can so then you have to fall in through that, go here, and then there, and here, and then we'll create another way like that. Okay, and then we'll end the path right here. So this path, it will go right here, and this one will go right here, and then I'll take a turn, and boom, it goes right there, and then this will go right here. So this is my maze. I mean, sure, it looks confusing, which is what mazes are for. So let me just get out of there. And now so first off, you'll realize that you'll only see looks. It's because I'm in background, and if I go into motion, I'll still only see looks because I need to add a sprite. And my sprite will be a ball. Excuse me, it'll be a ball for now that's going to be going through the maze. So right there, the ball. So we got our ball, and the first thing that we observe that we can see is our ball is way too big for our maze. So what we're going to be doing is changing its size to 50 and seeing if that makes it better. Yes. So size 50 does make it better. Now this is the easy part. All we have to do is code it to like go glide 1 second there. But the thing is, we're not doing that yet. We're adding another sprite. And you might be wondering, what sprite? Well, the sprite that we're going to be doing is this, which is called Blue Button 27, and it's a winning sprite. And as you can see again, it's way too big for where I'm going to put it, which I'll tell you in a moment. So we're going to do 50. So right there. That makes it much better. And also, that's where I'm going to put it, which is at the end of the maze. So we have our we have our ball. So what we're going to do first is take it through the right way, which there's two right ways. It doesn't matter which right way you take it, but the first thing that we're going to be doing is do the one click, and right after we're going to go to this position whenever I click, because whenever I click the green flag, because I wanted it to like go to the start, right? So that's what we're going to be doing. And after that, that's like we're going to be putting it. We're going to be. There's actually two which I already said, two ways of going the but we're going to be taking this way because in my opinion it's much easier. So what we're going to be doing, wait, what? Oh, that's not what we wanted. Well, we can just send this there. So when we go here, it's right there and it's not here anymore. So, well, now we can do this. So glide 1 second here, and then we do glide 1 second here, etc., etc., until we get to the finish point. Glide 1 second here, glide 1 second to the end, which is right here. Wait, we need to change this to this. Wonder why that happened. Okay, now the code for this is done now. So now we have to code this. So this is where it gets a little more tricky. We're going to be doing when clicked. We're going to go into control, take a forever loop, put it there, take a if loop, put it in there. If go into sensing, we get touching mouse pointer, but it's not going to be touching mouse pointer anymore. It's going to be touching ball. Then we want it to say, you win for 10 seconds and then we stop all. So here we go. So let's test this out. So let's see. Okay, yep, it goes like that, it goes like that. That goes like that. It says you win, yay! Now when we click, it goes back to the start and goes in again. So hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!